What is going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So we're going to break down Palantir today. And by the way, guys, happy Friday. Hope you're all doing well out there. We have to go over Palantir as it's now about to break over $30 per share. We're looking really good, up over 2.5% on the day. So we're going to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, and my thoughts in general. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or simply go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Got the DC on deck today, guys. Nice ice cold DC. Cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So you guys probably remember yesterday, Palantir stock hit almost $30 per share. We hit $29.83 to be exact, and that's where we double topped. You guys can see here, we hit it at about 10:30 a.m., and then we hit it again at about 11 a.m. Then we sold off for the rest of the day yesterday, but we held around $28. You'll notice that, right? $28 is a big support yesterday and today in the pre-market and at open. You'll notice here we opened at about $28, or actually no, we opened more near $29. Then we dumped down to the lower $28 range. We held it, again, being a big support from yesterday, and now we've, rebounded big time off of that level, and now we're in the mid 29s. We're up almost 3% on the day, and now we're wrestling with the mid 29s, 29.50, 29.60. That's a big resistance from earlier today where we double topped. You guys can see right here at 11 a.m. and at about 11:20 a.m. And now we're right back at that point. We're struggling to break out, but I suspect potentially Palantir will break out of there and maybe start taking out the highs from yesterday. Then if that were to happen, guys, you know what's next? $30 per share. So this looks pretty good, man. We held 28.50 yesterday and today. We got a bunch of buyers to come in. We're rocketing off that point. Now we're back in the mid 29s. All we have to do now is take out 29.50, 29.60, which I'll set my alert right now at $29.55. Let me do that. Mark is at or above, and we'll see if it's able to take that out and start moving even higher from there, which, like I said, $30, even higher, could be around the corner. And not to toot my own horn, guys, not to toot my own horn, but I've been saying $30 Palantir stock this year, time and time again. And honestly, I didn't think it would happen this fast, but hey, here we are. We're about to test it and maybe break out. And this is as we're about 2 weeks out from earnings. They're set to report earnings on the 5th of August after the bell. So that's exciting, guys. And, maybe we get the breakout before earnings. Maybe we do run up $32 per share before earnings. And like I've said before, let me pull this max chart up on Palantir stock. This looks really good. Now we're taking out the highs from the middle of 2021. About 3 years ago, we were struggling at 27 at $29. Now we're getting out of that range. That's really good news. And this stock, this company has only been public for a couple of years. I mean, it looks like they went public when? In 2020, right? So at this point, we're now getting to the next range here, which could put us anywhere from 30 to 40 to $45 per share. And like you guys saw, Dan Ives, the analyst at Wedbush yesterday, came out with a bull case price target of $50 per share for Palantir, which is very bullish, let's be honest, but that puts it above the all-time highs if it actually gets to $50 per share. Excuse me, guys. I might need a little sip of the DC right here. You can't go wrong with a little sip of the DC mid-video. Cheers. But yeah, charts look really good. We're starting to become profitable, which is great. S&P 500 inclusion, although this is not part of my investment thesis, it's like the cherry on top. Whenever that does happen, I think the stock will rally even more, whether it's next quarter, five quarters from now, whatever. I think it'll rally more. And at this point, we're looking great. Taking out that high from 3 years ago, now we're in this next range where this stock, realistically, especially if they crush earnings this go around, this could be going towards the mid-low 30s for now, and we'll see where it goes from that point. So what do you guys think about PLTR? Another very strong day here, as it is about noon right now on the East Coast. You're probably watching this video at about 2 p.m. on the East Coast, so maybe we already hit 30 bucks by the time you're watching. But like I said, it all comes down to this short-term time frame. 29.55, that's a big resistance. 29.85, that's another big spot. Let me set my alert there as well. Might as well do that. Mark is at or above $29.85. Beautiful. There we go. And of course, I'll do another update maybe at some point tomorrow or Sunday, so make sure you guys subscribe. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers here on the channel. And don't forget to run the likes up, guys. Run the likes up. Smash that like button. I challenge you guys. Can we get at least 150 likes on this video? Potentially. Hey, can we do it? Hit that like button. I appreciate you guys as always. So yeah, that's quickly, quick update on PLTR. And this is all happening in the midst of a red day, guys. All the indexes are down. The VIX is creeping over 16 points. Let's see here. The Russell's down almost 0.25%. Nothing crazy. In fact, it actually looks like it's in dire need of a pullback after ripping like crazy after we got the CPI data. You guys can see Russell went from 2,000 at 2275. Now we're back down pretty much to 2,200 points. So we'll see how that plays out over the next couple of days here. Russell coming down a bit. Looks like the NASDAQ triple Q down almost 0.5%. Holding an uptrend still, looking pretty good here on the 4-hour chart, guys. Nothing really to write home about, to freak out about. This looks really good still. Now, if we started taking out the lows from April, if this thing fell under 415 or 400, all right, at that point, yes, that constitutes a stock market crash. Maybe us going towards a bear market, but the reality is we're nowhere near that. We're still holding an uptrend, higher lows intact. Same thing here on SPY, which of course tracks the S&P 500. You guys obviously know that. This is above the 180 moving average on the 4-hour chart, looking really good. And by the way, we've pulled down to this moving average time and time again over the last couple of months, and buyers have come in, and it looks like they might come in yet again this go around. So what do you guys think, man? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Palantir is crushing it in the midst of an overall red day. What are your thoughts? Let me know down below. And don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo. It's free money. Who doesn't like free money, guys? Check out that link down below, or simply go to stocksrefest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, boom, you get up to 15 free stocks. And for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. Check it out. Use that link down below, or again, go to stocksrefest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.